All right. Oh, geez Louise. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hello, welcome. My name is Helen, and today I am going to be doing another No Make No Life unboxing, and here is the box. I recently received my May box, which I'll link up above for you guys, and I did receive it in July because of the quarantine slash pandemic slash basically things weren't being shipped to the US from Japan. But I did pay for DHL extra shipping on the July box, so I did receive the July box today. It is July 14th while I am recording this. I am already kind of in vacation mode. I am going this week to the Seattle, Washington area, and I'm super excited. It's kind of like a mini vacation. I'm gonna go do some hiking and kind of stay away from people, but still get to see the beautiful Pacific Northwest. I've never been, and I'm looking very much forward to it. But yeah, so today I am kind of already in vacation mode mentally. I've got like the messy bun going, and I'm just kind of like wanting to have some fun and show you guys this box. My May box that I received last week ended up being super cute and super fun, so I'm so excited to see what this box has in store for us. So I am going to get it opened. All right. Oh, geez Louise. This is what the inside of the box looks like. And we have the usual, hey beautiful, love your box, share and tag. So we got a little tag there. And I am going to grab the pamphlet. So July of 2020's theme is Fruity Kiss, which sounds super cute. And the artwork on the pamphlet is super adorable. She has like a little strawberry swimsuit. So cute. And then inside here, we have a little thank you note. Basically, they're thanking us for sticking with them during this time. They understand that, you know, with everything going on in the world, things are just kind of have slowed down with like getting their boxes to us. So they are just giving us a little thank you note. And then this pamphlet, as usual, breaks down all of the items I received in the box. And then our July star sign, or I guess I should say our horoscope for the July box, are star signs, which are some fruit. So I am a Virgo, which looks like I am a pear. So that's kind of fun. I do love pears. Alright, so let's get into the actual items in the box. So first off, right off the bat, we have this super adorable little like coin purse or makeup pouch. And this is what this looks like. It is so cute. Let me remove it from this plastic real quick. Alright, so it looks like this is kind of like a little bonus item in this month's box. It is a mystery Japanese beauty tool. So I could have received basically something maybe from Sailor Moon, from Sanrio, or San X. And I believe I received something from San X. And it could have been basically a plethora of items, but I received a cute little makeup pouch with a little Chicky on there, having some coffee or tea and cookies with his little buddies back there. This is so cute. Super cute. I will definitely add this to my purse for travel. Alright, next up we have a face pack. Every day brings happiness to me face mask. And that's what this looks like. So this says Fruity Point Pack. Oh no, that's something different, I guess. Fruity Face Pack. Oops, did you get a sunburn? Try this Fruity Face Pack to cool and moisturize your skin. Rinse your face and apply after your regular skincare for about 15 to 20 minutes for soft and firm skin. In July's box comes a strawberry or peach face pack, and I received strawberry. Super cute. All right, next up, they're just so cute. This box is so cute. So next up I have a Fruity Point pack, and it looks like this, and it looks like they're little lemons, and I imagine they're like little, like maybe by your eyes or something. They're like cute little lemon shaped patches. It says don't forget to be kind to your skin in summer as well. It has a lot to endure from the sun and sweating. This cute and fruity point pack includes 10 moisturizing patches with hyaluronic acid and fruit extract that can be applied to your face and even your body. Apply it after rinsing and your regular skincare and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes for best results. In July's box comes one strawberry, kiwi, or lemon point pack. So I got the lemon point pack. Both the fruity face pack and the fruity point pack are from Korea. And the little coin purse or makeup purse I got, that is from Japan. Okay, next up, alright, next up we have the Pure Smile Moisturizing Hand Jelly. Super cute, and it looks like it's probably like pear scented, which is fun because my horoscope for this box was pear for Virgo. So it says dry hands in summer. Try this fruit scented hand jelly. Unlike hand cream, it isn't heavy or sticky and absorbs super fast. In July's box come one hand jelly in cassis and cherry blossom, La France and Savane, which is pear, or muscat grape and plumeria. So based on the sound of that, I'm really excited for the pear. Let's give her a shot. And I think, so this is made in Korea. 50 grams. I'll have to look up and see grams to ounces, but this might be travel friendly. This would be good to bring along with me. It does have a safety seal, which we love. And that is what that looks like. So it's like a gel, and it just has a really light, it doesn't really even smell like pear. It just smells like a really nice soap scent. This is moisturizer, right? It smells so soapy. For a second I thought maybe it was soap. It smells very nice though. It's nice and light, and yeah, it absorbs right into the skin. It doesn't feel greasy or anything like that, so this is very nice. Alright, next up we have this super cute Strawberry Milk Petite Soap. And that's what this little soap looks like. It's so adorable. So Strawberry Milk Petite Soap. This adorable little strawberry milk soap smells so good. Isn't a relaxing bath after a long summer day the best? It uses natural ingredients like strawberry extract, fruit juice, and fermented milk to improve the condition of your skin and moisturize. You can even use this soap for soap carving. Have you ever tried that? I've not tried soap carving. I don't know that I will start trying soap carving, but let's open this up and smell it. Oh, it smells so good. It smells like, I think it has like a cute little strawberry on it. It smells like strawberry milk. It smells like, perfumey strawberry milk. Like, it doesn't smell like just strawberry milk. It has definitely a perfumey scent. But it smells very nice. I like that. Can put this up in my bathroom and use it as hand wash. Oh, Lola likes it too. You wanna come up and say hi? You haven't said hi in a while. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah, everyone wants to say hello. Here is Miss Lola. Yeah. Oh, do I have good stuff on me? Do I have the good stuff? Yeah. Are you checking out all my goodies? You want that strawberry soap, don't you? You can't have strawberry soaps. Soaps aren't for you. They're not for eating. I know it smells so good. Oh, yes, you're so sweet. Oh, yeah. You're so sweet. Yeah, I know. I love you too. I love you too. Oh my goodness. I can't handle it. You're just so cute. Yeah. I bet you're gonna miss me because I'm gonna miss you on my little trip. Yeah. I know. I love you too. Yeah. Okay. Down you go. Say bye. Bye. She's like, please stop. Yeah, I know. Down you go. Alright, that was a nice little intermission. So next item, I still have 3 items, which this box, it's I think $35 a month. I think maybe 40, 35, 40. You get a good amount of stuff and like things you wouldn't necessarily easily find around. So I really like it. So the next item, so cute, is let's see, fruity moisturizing lip cream, and that is what this packaging looks like. It's so cute. How cute is this Japanese lip cream? Use it on a hot summer day when you don't feel like wearing a lot of makeup, or use it as a base for the 16 brand lipstick also coming in this box. So I'll have a lipstick as well. In July's box comes a peach, cherry, soda, or unicorn lip cream. You're ready for a fruity kiss. So I got the unicorn lip cream. So let's open this up and check it out. Now, I did say I have a lipstick as well, but it said I could use this as a base. I actually don't even want to, like, open this. It's so cute. I'm going to do some, like, fancy maneuvering. An attempt was made not to completely ruin the packaging, because the packaging is too cute. Alright, so the cap fell off while I took it out, but here is the lip balm, or lip cream. It does not smell like anything. In fact, it smells like crayons. I do have, oh, I got Lola hair all over me. I do have some lip balm on. Let me wipe that off real quick. I have one of those, like, pH balancing lip balms that turn, like, pink. Alright, so let's put this guy on. Glides on nicely. Yeah, it feels nice. I just don't really like the crayon scent. Not my favorite. Let me see if I can... Yeah, it looks nice and moisturizing. It's not like doing anything crazy. It did look like it had some glitter to it, but I'm not seeing that on the lip, which is nice because sometimes you're not really looking for that when you're just looking for a lip balm. So yeah, that's cute. That's fun. I like that. All right, next up we have a Japanese juicy face mist, and that's what this looks like. Stay moisturized and feel refreshed this summer with this face mist. Easily bring this travel-friendly sized face mist with you in your bag to refresh when you're out and about. In July's box comes one of these 2 types, peach or tapioca. I think, I don't know what I have. I don't think it says on here. It might, but it might have it like in a different language in Japanese. Have you guys ever seen like Japanese moving videos? When this video is done, go look up, if you have not, go look up like Japanese moving companies on YouTube, and maybe I'll even link one like down below. It is just the most amazing process I've ever seen for moving, and I've moved a lot in my life, and I'm just like, I want to move to Japan just so I can experience it. Like, it looks so amazing. They're so organized and just so perfect with everything. It really speaks to my inner Virgo. I don't know why any of this made me think of it, probably because it's all from Japan and I keep seeing Japan on here, but that's what I would love to do. Oh, that feels really nice and refreshing. I still don't know what scent it is. I'm gonna say it has a little peach on it, so it must be peach. It smells nice, but yeah, that is nice and refreshing. On like a super hot day, that would feel really good. We have one last item, and this is so adorable. So we have the 16 lipstick they were talking about, and it looks like it's like a little bag of Skittles. Look at how cute this packaging is. So it says 16 brand Fruit Chew Edition lipstick. So this is from Korea. Isn't the Skittles like packaging adorable? 100% adorable. I love it. These lipsticks have a soft and moisturizing matte texture. The vibrant colors just scream summer and are perfect for a day at the beach or a night out. We're excited to finally include a beauty product from Korean brand 16 brand, which became famous when it was recommended by popular Korean makeup artist Cho Sung Ah. In your box comes one of the 4 lipstick varieties: coral, guava, orange, grapefruit, strawberry, or pink peach. So let's find out what I have. Again, I don't want to open this packaging. It says it's like special edition and everything, and it's so cute. Comes with like a little protective cardboardy thing. And then there is the lipstick. And we got Pink Peach. Definitely peach themed. And it does have like a nice fruity scent. That's nice. Not typically a color I would go for, but we're gonna try it on anyway. It might be super adorable. Feels very creamy. I did apply it over that lip balm, what was it called? Lip cream. That's actually cute. It's cute and summery. It's not like my normal color I would go for, but I think it's adorable. I think it's a really nice summer color. I can see this by like the pool or on the beach for all the pools and beaches I've been to this summer. I'll be curious to see how it like wears. It feels very, very like moisturizing and soft, so I don't know if it would have a lot of staying power. But yeah, that was the last item in the box. This was so adorable. So I am still waiting on my June box, which the May box took 2 months to get to me, so I'm kind of under the impression that the June box will kind of take a similar amount of time. So I'll probably be seeing that maybe towards the end of July, early August, and if I haven't received it by then, I'll reach out to No Make No Life and let them know, and I'm sure there won't be any issues with that. But yeah, this was so fun. I really love this box. It's super cute. I wasn't sure if I was really gonna like this subscription box. I mean, it's like there's nothing like super fancy in it. I didn't know if I was going to think it was worth the money, basically, because these are probably cheaper items. But I just think the novelty of it alone like makes up for it. It's super cute, and I love it. I'm looking forward to my June box whenever that does come, and then I'm looking forward to August. If you pay like $10 extra, then they'll ship it through DHL and you get it way quicker. I just got the July box in July, so that speaks volumes right there. So I'll probably, if they're still offering that for August box, I'll do the same then, so I don't have to wait 2 months for it. But yeah, I really love this. I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope you guys liked this box as much as I did. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, whether they are subscription unboxings or general makeup looks, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I am so glad you guys could join me here today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!